My dear learners and viewers, welcome back all of you on behalf of online teaching of Rajan Arjumaitri Institution, Rajan Chattogram. This is Madhav Rai Chaudhary, Assistant Headmaster, Rajan Arjumaitri Institution, Rajan Chattogram. Dear students, how are you all doing? Hope you are all doing well. Today I am here with you to take a class of 9 and 10. And students, I expect you will stay with me till the end of the class. Now let's start. Welcome to my class. First, this is my identity, as you know, and look at the pictures attentively, dear students. All this is a monkey with kids in her lap, in its lap, and this is a bear, polarized bear, natural calamity you can see. Now dear students, try to guess what are they. All are elements of our nature and environment. Now dear students, can you guess what we are going to discuss today? Try to guess what we are going to discuss today. Yes, about natures and environment, and the topic is the grit of the roaring rivers. Okay dear students, first learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, you will be able to know the meaning of keywords, to ask and answer questions, to comprehend and summarize texts, to take part in debates on given topics. Okay dear student, first we will know some new words. Look at the below words. Try to say the meaning of the word and make a sentence with them. First one, erosion. Dear student, repeat after me. Erosion. Look at the pictures. The bank of the river is decaying day by day. It is called erosion. What is the meaning of the word? What is the meaning of the word? The process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water or other natural agents. So there is a sentence from your text I have written here. Meherjan lost all her property due to river erosion. Next one, embankment. Look at the pictures. I think some of you are familiar about these pictures. Embankment, a wall of stone or earth made to keep water blocked. I have written a sentence here. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shiazganj town. Protect embankment. Whisper. Look at the pictures. What is the meaning of this word? To speak very quietly to somebody so that other people cannot hear word one is saying. What is the sentence? The boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. Now come to next one. Roar. Look at the pictures. Roar. This is a specific word for the lion. To make a loud, deep, harsh sound of tiger, river or any animal. I made a sentence for you. The tiger is roaring for hungry. Dear students, repeat after me. Roar. And can you put the word into a sentence? The tiger is roaring for hungry. Moving on to the next, slum. Look at the pictures. Slum means a house made of straw, bamboo some other natural materials is called slum. A overcrowded urban area inhabited by a very poor people. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Unsteady, look at the pictures. The flame is not steady. This is called unsteady, likely to fall or shake. The flame of this candle is unsteady. Demolish, look at the pictures very carefully. The building has demolished. Okay, now what can you see? Against the word, for the word, to pull or knock down something. This is called demolish. The greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherjan's all happiness. Now this times I will ask you to open the page 56. There is a text, activity 1, lesson 5, page 56. Dear students, go to page 56 and section A. Read the passage very carefully, very attentively. Then answer the questions that has given B and C. Now you have to listen me very carefully. After that you read and then given the answer from section B and C. So I am going to read the passage for you. Listen it very carefully. Go to page 56. Dear student, go to page 56. Lesson 1, the greed of the mighty rivers. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene-roofed shelter looked like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands trembles as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes her fairly unsteady, fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil of her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, a cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meherjan's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the year, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The great Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages or thousands are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1,000 people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. if we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Okay, dear students, I think you have got the idea. Now go to your page, open your textbook, section B and C. Try to pause the video and try to do the section C. This is choose the best answer and ask and answer for the questions. And look at the section C, ask and answer for the following questions. There are 5 questions. You have to make the answer. And I am going to next because there is a time consuming. So dear students, now I am moving to the next one. Look at the pictures. This is another activity. Look at the above pictures and discuss with your partner. Then write down about the previous life of Meherjan. How did Meherjan spend her life before this situation? Okay, dear student, pause the video, write in yourself. Now I am moving on to the next. This is individual work. Complete the summary of Meherjan's life with words and phrase from the box. Okay, I am going to say one. Then after that you have to do it further next time. Meherjan is a typical what will happen, and there is also a words for you, and these words you have to insert in the text. Victims, effects, close to, slum dwellers, homeless, threats. Example, due to shortage of food, 1 lakh. Now Meherjan is a typical homeless women who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter, properties, and due to the erosion of river Jamuna, she also lost her family. Her husband has died to disease caused by poverty and shortage of food. Now she is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the victims of river erosion. River erosion is still posing threats to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living close to river are most likely victims of river erosion. Each year, about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherjan's life is just one example of how climate change affects the lives of thousands of people. Now, dear students, do it in yourself. Pause the video, do it in your exercise book. Now I am moving to the next one. So dear students, and this is another activity. You have no classmate in your own beside you, that's why do it as a homework. This is a group discussions as like as a debate competition, and you have no friends beside you. That's why I like to tell you, write down the topic name and do it in your homework. Human cannot do anything to control the course of nature. This is your home task, do it in yourself. Now I like to know get some feedback from you, what you have, how much do you know about these topics. I like to know it. Now dear students, there are 3 questions you have to answer. What does adapt mean? Adjust, unchanged, chaos, dam. Then 2, embankment represents dam, river, erosion, quiver. The river Jamuna has consumed the cultivable land, houses, bamboo bush or meherjan. All the above answers. Now what will be the answer? Now look, first one, adjust. Adapt means adjust. Second one, embankment means dam. And third one, all of the above answer, all are true. Meherjan has consumes the cultivable land, houses, bamboo bush and bamboo bush, etc. Okay, write down the homework. Write 10 sentences about merit and demerits of flood. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Dear student, okay, that is the end of my lesson today. I hope my science and examples are clear and easy to understand you. Hope for your better future, and thanks a lot for watching my presentation, and hope to see you soon in my next class. Okay, thank you, goodbye.